Unraveling Stump 4, exploring its meaning and use. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in the English language, Stump 4. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a deeper insight into the cultural and historical aspects of English. So, let's unravel the mystery of what it means to stump for someone or something. Stump for is a phrase used primarily in a political context. It means to campaign vigorously for a political candidate or a cause. The term originated from the practice of politicians speaking from a literal stump, as it elevated them above the crowd. Today, it's used more broadly to describe anyone advocating strongly for a person, idea, or project. The term stump for has roots in American political history. In the 18th and 19th centuries, politicians would stand on tree stumps to address crowds during campaigns, making these stumps the earliest stages. Over time, the phrase evolved to encompass all forms of enthusiastic public support, not just in politics but in various aspects of society. 1. During the election season, many celebrities stump for their preferred candidates. 2. She spent the weekend stumping for the new environmental policy. 3. As a passionate educator, he often stumps for increased funding for public schools. These examples show how stump for is used to describe active and passionate support, typically in a public or semi-public setting. It's important not to confuse stump for with simply stump, which can mean to be puzzled or perplexed. The context of usage plays a key role in understanding the intended meaning. When you hear stump for, look for clues that suggest advocacy or campaigning. Understanding phrases like stump for adds color and depth to your English language skills. It's not just about the words, but the history and culture they carry. I hope this exploration helps you grasp and use stump for confidently in your conversations and writings. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.